So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Poco M3. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Poco M3 are Snapdragon 662, 6.53 inches, Full HD Plus display, 6000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 18 watt fast charging, MIUI 12. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Poco M3. There are two storage variants of Poco M3, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 64GB. There are three color variants of Poco M3, yellow color, blue color and black color. This is the front side of Poco M3. This is the back side of Poco M3. The expected launch date of Poco M3 will be in the first or second week of January. In my opinion, the expected price of Poco M3 should be below 11,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.